Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you healthy and safe during this time of quarantine. Take care of your loved ones by just staying home, washing your hands. Hopefully all of this will be over sooner than later. So today's video is going to be on new products from e.l.f. So I ordered some new stuff that I saw that I was very curious about. I got these liquid glitter eyeshadows. I thought they were so cute. Finally, an e.l.f. eye primer, and this is the Putty Eye Primer in Creme. I also got another primer, a face primer, and this is the Poreless Putty Primer, Universal Sheer. And I also got myself a CAMO concealer sponge. I heard so much about this, I saw it in a lot of videos, so I was very curious to try it myself. Oh, it's already big because I wet it, but it's usually smaller than that. Came very, like half the size. I got myself this cute little bite-sized eyeshadows. I got in Truffles and Carnival Candy. Look how tiny these are. So cute. I was like, wow, it's so light, so thin. And I also got lip products. I got the Seriously Satin lipstick in Creme, and these two lip plumping glosses, Mocha Twist and Champagne Glam. So I'm gonna do my whole face on e.l.f. makeup from the old stuff that I used to have, plus the new stuff that I just got. And I'm gonna put a lot of the stuff on off camera just so it could speed things up. All right, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going to start with the Putty Eye Primer. This is the color that I got. You can put it with your finger or your brush. I'm just gonna put it with my finger. I'm warming the product up with my finger. All right, so that's on. Now I'm excited to try this little tiny eyeshadow palettes. Bite size. I love the name bite size. How cute they are. All right, so since I have two of them, I think I'm gonna do this one on one eye and this one on the other. We'll just go crazy with them. And I forgot to say before, now let's begin. I think I'm gonna do the truffle one first. So cute. It's a black shadow. It has a little bit of shimmer. I mean, I don't know if you could pick it up in the camera. So I'm gonna start with this one as my transition shade. It's a pretty good pigment. Pretty good. And now I'm gonna go and deepen this area with this one right here. The brush I was using was a crease brush. And now I'm gonna use a more dense eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. And I'm gonna deepen. I'm gonna accentuate my crease. Not as high as the transition shade. I kind of want to accentuate my fake crease up here. These are blending out nicely. These are pretty nice shadows. And now I'm going to deepen the outside corner with the black one. Let's see how that one works. They're pretty pigmented. I'm gonna soften that edge here with the shade that I use for my transition, just to soften it up a little bit. I could definitely use this if I want to glam up. I have all the colors that I need for a look. So it's pretty cool. This is a nice black. And to tell you the truth, I don't see the shimmer on my eyelids. So I'm not sure if that's there for pigmentation purposes or formula. It's not noticeable at all. I just don't see it. I'm gonna blur that a little bit more. So I'm gonna add more of this chocolate color. And I'm just using it to blend out the colors, smoke it out a little bit more. And then back to that transition color there to smoke it out even more. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use this on the lid right here. And you know, as usual, I'm gonna do it with my finger. Wow, it's like a gunmetal color. Pretty cool. This is really pretty. I love the color combination for this little palette. And now I'm gonna go back with the black and blend it in a little bit into the gunmetal shadow. That is nice. And I'm gonna use the same transition shade for my under eye area. And I'm gonna go with the chocolate one just in the outer corner to kind of connect this together. And I'm gonna use a different brush. This is the e.l.f. smudge brush. All right, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Put mascara. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. volume plumping mascara. And now I'm gonna apply falsies. So if I cover this eye, you don't need to do much blending. It blends well together. I love it for $3. I think that's what they retail for $3 and you get 4 colors. So in my opinion, it's really worth it. All right, let me move on. So now let's go on to the other little palette. This is the Carnival candy one. I don't know how I want to apply it. Oh, well, let's start. And I think I'm gonna use this one right here for all my lid, on the top of my lid, just to brighten up that area. Yeah. And I think that shade I'm gonna use to soften up edges or darker colors later on. And I'm gonna use this brown as a transition shade. Wow, that blended up nicely. This is a nice color. And now I'm gonna use this little plum color. It's like a plum red, like a brick red. It looks darker in person than on the screen. Like a brick, like a dark brick color. I'm gonna use that to deepen the outside corner. This is a very pretty color. Now back to that first color that I used earlier, I'm gonna soften up the edges here. And I'm gonna use the transition shade too, the transition shade color, to blur this out a little bit more up here. All right, and now I'm gonna use the blue. Should I use my finger for it? Yeah, I'm gonna use the blue one. I had never tried a combination color like this, so we'll see how it comes out. It's cute. It applies nice, but I think I'm gonna use my brush because this is a darker color, less forgiving. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to apply with. I love this color of blue. It's a very beautiful shade. I'm gonna have to start blending it in with the other one because I kind of messed up there. And I'm gonna use the brick color again to deepen this area here and to mix it all in. Wow, it makes a nice mixture. It makes like a purplish mixture, the two of them. I like it. It makes me think of a peacock. And I gotta say, there was no fallout on this one. Very interesting. I really like it, it's so different. But I gotta say, the colors, the pigmentation is so good. Very nice. So I'm gonna curl my lashes, put mascara, and then some lashes on, and I'll be right back. All right, so that's the color. I forgot the under eye area, so I'm gonna do that right now. And I'm going to use, from the same palette, the brick color one. Just to connect it all the way out. And some of that brown too, here for the front part. Get a closer look for this. And I'm gonna try the Poreless Putty Primer. Oh, it comes like a balm. I'm gonna have to apply it with my hands. Feels nice. It's moisturizing. Let me see if it's filling in my pores. I'm not sure. I have bigger pores here on the cheek and on my forehead too. Everywhere. But I don't mind it. But I have to check once I put my foundation on. Alright, so I'm gonna put my foundation off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my foundation on and now I'm ready to put my primer, and I'm gonna use the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is a medium peach. And I'm so excited to use this little sponge. See if how it works. Hear good things about it. I saw a few videos and I was like, I gotta try it. My heart. All right, so let's go. All right, see? Oh, this is so helpful. Instead of squeezing your other sponges, this works so good. This is definitely nice. It's so cool because I love how it reaches those areas where I usually have to use a little brush. I usually use this brush to kind of get in there. Now I could just use this and it works great. Very nice. And my skin looks really good. I mean, I see a tiny difference in the texture, but not like completely different. I still see the pores on my skin, which I like, but I see a little smoothness in certain areas. But I like how everything blended together. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of my stuff and I'm gonna come back to try the lips. So now we're gonna move on to the lips. And like I said before, I have 2 lip plumping glosses and 1 Seriously Satin lipstick. So I'm gonna try the lipstick first. This is in color Creme. See? Looks pretty nude. Lighter than my lips. I mean, it's like a pinky nude. It's too nude for my taste, but it's pretty. Feels good on the lips. Just like a lipstick, moisturizing lipstick. All right, I'm gonna try now the other. I'm gonna take this off actually. And this one is the Champagne Glam. Maybe this is more like a topper, probably. Really pretty. Feels like a cooling effect. It's really pretty though. I would like to use it on its own actually, or on top of any lipstick. No, I just realized I didn't do my lower lashes. All right, now let me try the other one, which is in color Mocha Twist. This is a nice color. Very shiny. We'll go with each color. Yeah. I'll definitely rock it with both eyeshadows. I feel like a cooling effect, but not a dramatic lump on my lips. But definitely feels good and it looks nice. It's a nice color. I really like both of them actually. Take these out. So this is it, 2 different looks with the 2 different little palettes, and I think these shadows are really worth it. They're so cute. I think for $3 you get 4 shades and they're so tiny they could just fit into your makeup bag. I feel like the Putty primer is really good. I didn't see a huge difference on my skin. Let me see if I could just get closer and show you. I still see my pores. I just think it's a nice primer. These 2 here, these little ones, I'm gonna try another time because I feel I could do a different look with them. I'm gonna just swatch them for you. The Copper Pop and the Flirty Birdy. They're very glittery. Definitely something that we use for a lid for sure. And another look. Very pretty. The Putty Eye Primer, it's really good. Right now everything seems to be in place. It works well, so I really like it. The plumping glosses were good. The only one that was just not thrilled, maybe because of the color. I mean, it's great, feels good on the lips, but just the color is not my preference. I'm sure that in a different color I would like it better. And last but not least, the sponge. I love it. Such a great precision. It feels good. I love the way it blends. So definitely something I'll be using very often. Let me know if you tried these products before and how you like them. I think they are great. e.l.f. comes up with really good products. So far it's been a hit for me, especially for the price point. So I can't wait to try other new ones. My kids and my husband, they're in a room back there watching some movie while I'm recording. So I really appreciate that. It's been an adjustment, but it's been good. So this is it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe, stay healthy, take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Ooh. $3. Oops. I'm gonna try the putty. Guys, I'm done. You guys could come out from the cave.